take you out and show you in a minute, but I put down one of the pop-ups on the camper trailer, and I'm working on the center seam on the top. Just giving you guys fair warning, never use duct tape on your campers, your trailers. That is the hardest stuff to get off. It's only been on there for, what, 4 days maybe, and it made one mell of a hess. So I'll take you back out there and show you what I got going. Okay, so I'm up top. So I've got the top part of the pop-up, and then the second piece is down, and this is the piece I'm working on. But see the mess that good old duct tape makes. Well, scared of heights, so I'm going up carefully. I got this side done, and now I got to work on the other. So I got it closed up. I had to tear all this duct tape off, and the reason tear all this duct tape. Okay. Okay, so I got the second side put down, and now I'm working on taking this duct tape off so I can clean up the mess. And the reason we put the duct tape on to begin with was because we were afraid that this center seam was going to leak. So I'm going to start tearing off duct tape. Fun, huh? Trouble is, duct tape takes off the paint too. If you can see that. Yeah, it's taking the paint off with it. So I'm thinking after I get this part off, then I'll use the crud cutter and come back tomorrow and wash all this. And try, because when this Goo Gone dries, it gets real sticky, and it doesn't come off with hand lotion, it doesn't come off with soap and water. So I don't know what I'm going to use to get it off, but when I figure it out, I'll let you know. Okay, this is pretty good.